Hello everyone. Today I have a process video using the April 2018 Clique Kits kit, and it's called Winter Park, and it is beautiful. I am going to be doing a little bit of mixed media. However, this is going to be the story focus. So I'm going to kind of be making a really big title to kind of focus on the story of the photo, I guess, kind of towards me. So if somebody were to look at this layout, they would have probably no idea what this picture meant or what the story was behind the photo. However, I know what it is, and the title that I end up using is going to be perfect for this. So off camera I did, or no, not off camera, I'm doing it right now. I'm using some black gesso, and it's in a tube, which I really prefer because then I can just squeeze it on my palette knife and kind of just put it all over the page. So I was inspired by Missy Winnan for this layout. She did a layout, I don't know when she did it. I watched the video about a week and a half ago, I think. And she did some ripped layers and did some mixed media coming out from the ripped layers. So it's not the exact same. However, I did it vertical. She had hers horizontal, and I just did black gesso. She did more mixed media behind hers, but I did use that element from her layout that I watched. So I did want to give her a little bit of credit there. So I do just have a piece of white cardstock, and I'm taking two of these papers from the kit. This one on the top, the teal paper or aqua, it reminds me of wallpaper, and it's so pretty. It's definitely a piece of paper that I would love to have wallpapered all over one of my walls in my house. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to put those layers down and just have that black gesso kind of peeking out from the edges. And this photo is a photo of my daughter. She's in her pajamas. She's sitting on the couch. She is talking on the phone. She has the phone in her lap, but you can see it in the photo. She has my husband on speakerphone. She's got the towel wrapped in her hair. She had just got out of the shower, and this is our nightly routine. If you don't know, my husband was in the military for 10 years. And when he got out about 4.5, 5 years ago, he took a job where there was traveling involved, and we were already so used to him being gone for 9 months at a time for deployments that we thought that it would be fine. He would be home every single weekend, and it is, but this is our kind of nightly routine or ritual. After she gets out of the shower, if he's not home, then we call him, and she tells him about her day, and he tells her about his day. And they just talk on the phone, and then him and I talk after they're done talking. So by looking at this photo, you would have no idea that that was the story behind the photo, but that is the story behind the photo. So I took some die cuts or ephemera from the ephemera pack, and I'm just kind of layering them up kind of off to the side of the photo. I really didn't want to cover up the black gesso because that's where I want to put my title. And I did want to do some white paint splatters on that black gesso. However, you'll see right here that I kind of turned pink because my paintbrush wasn't clean. It looked clean, but I guess it had I think I used it in some mists a while back, and I guess I didn't get it clean good enough. So make sure you're cleaning your brushes. It still looks white, but it has like a peachy, or not peachy, but a pinky, real super light pink tint to it if you look close. But I'm okay with that because that color is in this kit. So the towel on her head actually matches that teal paper like perfectly. Did not plan for that. This little piece that I have tucked says it's the little things in life, and I decided to use that deer in the layout that I was inspired by from Missy. She used the deer, and I thought to myself, you know what? I wouldn't necessarily use a deer on a layout like this. However, it's cute, and it's a little baby deer, and I'm not really showing that much except for the head and a little bit of the top of the body, so I was okay with it. And I did pull some twine from my stash, just black and white twine, and make a tiny little bow to put on the tag. And I'm using the ephemera, the cut aparts that come in the kit that are exclusive, which are really, really cute, or printables, I guess, but I cut them apart. And I'm going to pull in some black thread and kind of put behind this little piece here that I'm going to, the little flag banner that I'm putting down here. That is one of the printables, the exclusive printables. And now I'm going to use the stickers, and I really, really wanted to use this little piece, but just wasn't working for me. I am going to, however, pull out this little sticker that says "You are so loved," and I'm going to kind of hang it off the edge just a little bit, and in the end I'm going to cut off the excess hanging off the edge. So these letters, these stickers are absolutely stunning. They're that rose gold color, and they're so pretty. So the title, I don't think I'm going to do the whole title on video because it does take quite a while, or I'm going to do the title, but then I'm going to go off video and glue them down. For the chipboard stickers, I do like to put some wet adhesive behind them, and especially over this gesso. You just want to make sure that it's going to stay. So right now I'm just kind of aligning things up, trying to get them where I want them. I'm going to move them quite a few times actually, to get the spacing right, I guess. And the title of this layout is going to be "This is Real Life Right Here," because this is our life. This is the way it is right now, until my husband moves up in this company. He is hoping to get a manager position soon, and he will be home a lot more. However, this is what we do, and this is how our family is, and this is our real life right here. So I did pull in one of the exclusive flares that says "Life is Beautiful," and I'm pulling in some of the heart stickers from the sticker sheet. I'm going to pull in actually quite a few of the heart stickers. I really do love embellishing with little tiny hearts, or little stars kind of layer on top of each other. I really enjoy that look. And I'm going to pull in this floral sticker right here beside the deer, or kind of behind the deer, poking out. And I am going to pull in this like leaf kind of behind the flare. And I believe that that is going to be it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss any upcoming videos. And don't forget to spread love and be kind. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing day. Bye.